So number first wow factor, I'd say, and thank you so much for putting this product. Maybe I missed this point while I was speaking. So, but it's very close to my heart also. So the first wow factor is that we want every consumer go back to the same dealership or maybe the dealership of the brand to get this services done. This is the first wow, right? When they come to Amresh. Second wow is like the claim process settlements, which happen for them is hassle free. It is online, which is decided and discussed prior, and that's what we sign off with MOU with the dealers and the brands as well. Third is wow is that we replace or repair. Today repair is not possible because it's not there in this process, but yes, moving forward how exactly the technologies get developed we'll look at. But it gets replaced on NDP plus the dealer labor charges at the dealership itself, so dealer doesn't lose money, he rather gets also paid for his labor charges from us, which is not happening in general course of processes. If you look at many places where we have a pricing understanding very differently, we also go up to a GST reimbursement in that process. But that's again, it you add a cost, it goes as a cost, right? These are three of the wow factors. Third is the customer gets the best of the satisfaction back, that he is an genuinely done service and genuinely replaced part or a product, and his warranty is also what he has paid for, which is like a small nut, and he gets definitely a bigger chunk of pie as a in return. So that's how it is now. The whole journey cycle is also managed by the system for the dealer. Now it's not about that we have sold it today and how we are continuing this. Now how we are continuing, let me tell you. There is an OEM process what you come from, right? Wherein the dealer is also looking at calling the customers for services in the periodicity of 6 months, 3,000 kilometers, blah blah blah, whatever is being worked upon. Now when you look at that, it currently in the first year it might be a free service, second year is the labor, third year it could be a part replacement and the labor both, and then the warranty things and all. So this all gets managed into the process when we are launching. That is the reason we are launching Buddy, which is our program for AMC, because we don't want to make money on spare parts, we don't want to make money on sales. It's also very important that what we are looking at is a consumer satisfaction out of this, and also the reliability to look at the total process works in the best refined manner.